Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll see the instructions to be followed in NEET examination hall. Firstly, the examination center will be open 2 hours before the commencement of the test. No candidate shall be allowed to enter the examination center after 1:30 p.m. Therefore, the candidates must ensure that they leave home well in advance considering all the factors like traffic, location of center, weather conditions, etc. Candidates are expected to take their seats immediately after the opening of examination hall. Date of the examination is 12 September 2021, that's on Sunday. Timings is from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Duration of the examination is for 3 hours. Last entry to the examination center is 1:30 p.m. Sitting on the seats in the examination hall or room is from 1:15 onwards. Announcement of important instructions and checking of admit card by invigilator is from 1:30 p.m. to 1:45 p.m. Distribution of test booklet by the invigilator is from 1:45 p.m. Writing of particulars on the test booklet by the candidate is from 1:50 p.m. Test commences at 2 p.m. and concludes at 5 p.m. The candidates must show on demand the admit card for the admission in the examination hall. A candidate who does not possess a valid admit card shall not be allowed to enter the examination hall by the center superintendent. A seat with a roll number will be allotted to each candidate. Candidate must find out and occupy their allotted seat. If a candidate is found appearing in the examination from a seat or a room other than allotted one, the candidature shall be cancelled. During the examination time, the invigilator will check the admit card of the candidates to ascertain the identity of each candidate. The invigilators will also put their own signature in the place provided in the answer sheet and on the attendance sheet. A candidate who comes after 1:30 p.m. shall not be permitted to enter the examination center under any circumstances. Candidates must bring only the following documents on the day of examination at the test center. Candidates who will not bring this will not be allowed to sit in the examination. A printed copy of admit card downloaded from NTA website with passport size photograph same as uploaded on the application form pasted on it. One passport size photograph same as uploaded on the online application form for pasting on the specific space in the attendance sheet at center during NEET UG 2021 examination. One postcard color photograph with white background should be pasted on the proforma downloaded with the admit card. The proforma with the postcard size photograph shall be handed over to the invigilator in the examination hall. Any one of the authorized photo IDs must be original with valid like PAN card, driving license, voter ID, passport, Aadhaar card, ration card, class 12th admit card with photograph or any other valid photo IDs issued by the government. PWBD certificate issued by competent authority if claiming the relaxation under PWBD category. Scribe letter of undertaking of using own scribe if applicable. Candidates are not allowed to bring any buried items or any items which could be used for unfair practices. Possession of any such articles with the candidates inside the center premises will attract the penalties of unfair practices. Candidates are advised in their own interest not to bring any buried item venue of the examination, as arrangement of safekeeping will not be made and candidates found in possession of these items will not be allowed to enter the examination center. No candidates will leave his or her seat of the examination room or hall until the test concludes as per the schedule. The candidates should not leave the room or hall without handing over their OMR sheet to the invigilator on duty. Smoking in the examination center is strictly prohibited. Water bottle, tea, coffee, cold drinks or snacks etc. are not allowed to be taken by the candidates into the examination center. Candidates suffering from diabetes are allowed to take into examination hall the eatables with prior intimation like sugar tablets, fruits like banana, apple, orange or transparent water bottles. However, they will not be allowed to carry packed foods like chocolate, candy, sandwich, etc. The test will start exactly at the time mentioned in the admit card, and an announcement to this effect will be made by invigilator. Before the start of the examination, important instructions will be communicated to the candidates by the invigilator for strict compliance of the candidates. A signal will be given at the beginning of the examination, and at half time a signal will also be given before the closing time when the candidates must stop marking the responses. The candidate must sign twice on the attendance sheet at the specific space. The first time immediately after commencement of the examination, and the second time while handing over the answer sheet to the invigilator. The candidates are also required to put their left hand thumb impression in the space provided on the attendance sheet. The candidates will check and ensure that the test booklet contains as many pages as are written on the top of the cover page. For those who are unable to appear on the scheduled date of the test for any reason, retest shall not be held by the NTA under any circumstances. The candidates suffering from diabetes may be taken care of at the center as per the instruction issued by NTA. These are the instructions to be followed in the NEET Examination Hall 2021. If you have any doubts regarding this, please comment it. Thanks for watching.